Finally, we've made it to the last part of this Google Analytics series, and in this one we're going to go ahead and look at the mobile app for Google Analytics, and we'll do a little bit of sort of pros and cons, what you can do and what you can't do. So let's go ahead and jump in.
Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is search for the Google Analytics app either in Google Play Store or the Apple Store, whatever it is that you're using for your phone or your tablet. So we can see here that I have Google Analytics, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. Okay, so let's start on the home page. So what we can see right away is it's a mobile app, so it's going to work as you would expect. You basically have the menu that's with the hamburger icon over up here on the top, and from here we can see our menu. Now, the first thing is if we're back on the home, we see some similar things. So we've got that real-time users right now. We can see the audience overview. If we scroll down, we've got a behavior overview widget, e-commerce, goals, users by time of day, events, more stuff about events. So we have some basic information there. Now, one of the big differences, if I go to the dashboard, I basically have one dashboard. I can't add new dashboards. I have a plus sign at the top, and I can go ahead and I can add in something new. So let's say that I want to see sessions. So I've got sessions over time. We can see at the top there it says custom report. I can't change anything about it, but I can go ahead and save it. And now on the dashboard, if I scroll down, there's my sessions over time. So we can see here that we've just got a series of widgets rather than one specific dashboard. Now if I click on the ellipsis, I could go ahead and duplicate it, edit it, or delete it. I've also got a share option where I can share that out using either email or WhatsApp or whatever it is that you might have on your phone. So let's go through further. If we go into real time, again we're seeing who's on our website at this moment in time, and I can see some widgets, but I can't add anything new to this. I could save that specific widget to the dashboard if I wanted to, but I can't add any new things in here. Now let's go further down. So let's go ahead and look at the audience location. I have sort of like a wrench or a spanner icon that I can click on, and from there I can say, okay, well, the users by country, and I could change the metric. So instead of country, I could click for the dimension, and I could say, okay, well, let's do town or city instead, and let's go ahead and save that. And it's been saved to the dashboard. I don't know if you saw that at the bottom, but if I go back to my dashboard now, and it should be at the bottom, there we go. So users by town or city. So we can see there that there are definitely some limitations to it. It is not going to show you the exact same things that you see in Google Analytics on the website version. We do have insights. So at the top here, we can click on the insights icon, and we can see here that we have a new insight. Your goal conversion rate is low on some top landing pages. I can view the insight. I can scroll through, and then I could go to the report, and I can see that custom report based on what was in the insight. And again, I can save it, and that saves it to the dashboard. So that's one of the things that I don't like, is the dashboard is just going to get longer and longer and longer if you keep on saving things to it. I've then got the red insights, so I can go back to them and I can see all of my insights. I've also further on down, I've got our goals. I've got things for e-commerce. I can see events. So I've got a lot of the stuff that I have within the web version, but again, there are definite limitations. Obviously, any reports that you create, we're not able to see those reports in the app. But for something in terms of being sort of on the go, if you want to quickly see what's going on, or you're actually physically at some kind of event somewhere and you've just done a presentation and you've shared your website information, maybe you want to go ahead and have a look at that, you can certainly use the mobile app for that. So this is the mobile app. Like I said, go ahead and you can find that in the different app stores. Go ahead and install it, set it up to your specific account, and then you can start looking at your analytics on the go.
Hi, I'm Megan Walker. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you learned something from it. If you don't want to miss out on any other content, you can go ahead and click on my face below to subscribe. And if you want to watch the next video, you can do that by clicking over here and go ahead and get started. Thanks again.